Pro Golf Putting Tips, 5 minutes to great putting. Want to learn the secrets to become a confident putter, lowering your score, putting like a pro? As a golfer, you already know that 43% of golf is putting, and you've already tried a lot of things to improve your game. You've watched all the putting videos, read all the putting tips in magazines, and even went to pros for putting lessons. You've bought all the new putters, bought all the gear, and the list goes on and on. You've tried to improve your putting in the past and failed. You need to know why. The main reason will be simply you're practicing the wrong things at the wrong place for the wrong amount of time. Like a food recipe, if you're missing one or two essential ingredients, you'll sadly never become a great putter. Fortunately for you, we found the missing ingredients and created the perfect putting concoction and bundled it into a complete, self-paced, step-by-step improvement program, which includes everything you needed to become a great putter and to take several strokes off your score. It's called 5 minutes to great putting. As you're going through this new program, here are some of the results you can expect. Have unshakable confidence over those short knee knockers inside 6 feet. Transform yourself into an expert green reader who's able to gauge the line and speed with precision every time. You'll be able to long lag putts consistently close to the hole, leaving yourself easy tap-ins. Have confidence over your short putts so you hold them with ease. Imagine if your next game of golf you putted great and hold almost everything you looked at. Well, the only way that's going to have the chance of happening is if you do something different. Here's something you can do that's different and is guaranteed to help you putt better. And have your playing partners wondering, who the heck is this guy? Don't wait. Click the link below and learn how to putt like the pros in 5 minutes. Subscribe to keep up to date on the latest golf tips and tricks. Please like and share, and thank you for watching.